Any tourist would undoubtedly attest that a visit to Zakynthos is an unforgettable experience. In addition to its stunning natural surroundings, Zakynthos boasts a lengthy and opulent past that has been greatly impacted by Venetian culture. The island is well known for its unique architectural and musical heritage, both of which are particularly pronounced in Zakynthos town. With that being said, let's continue our journey to explore the best things you can do while visiting Zakynthos. Take a boat trip around the island. One of the most popular activities on the island is taking a cruise along Zakynthos' stunning coastline. You can dive into pristine waters all day long and take in the breathtaking scenery at various sites. Renting a private boat or going on a guided tour are the two usual choices for taking a boat ride around the island. While you can view the main attractions with both options, we highly suggest hiring a private boat because it gives you more freedom to explore the coastline at your own pace. Visit Shipwreck Beach, the famous Shipwreck Cove. The island's most photogenic location, which is also on many people's bucket lists, has to be included in this list of the top things to do in Zakynthos. One of the best places to visit in Europe is the renowned Shipwreck Beach, which is an entirely different experience in person. It's a great sight, with unreal views of gorgeous white sand beaches and incredibly blue oceans. Rugged remnants of the MV Panagiotis, a ship that sank in the cove in the 1980s, may be found on this stunning Greek beach. Take a trip to the Blue Caves. Visiting these stunning limestone sea caverns and natural arches is a must-do activity whilst in Zakynthos. The Blue Caves, which can only be reached by water, are a short boat ride from Skinnery's small harbor, which is home to a lighthouse. You will be astounded by the cave's pristine beauty when you get there because of the way the sunshine reflects off the azure waters, creating a shimmering effect. Explore Zakynthos town. There is a pleasant waterfront promenade in the town with a variety of eateries and little plazas where you may spend the morning or evening discovering local markets. Since most stores and establishments take a brief nap in the middle of the day, we suggest going at night for a livelier atmosphere. We wouldn't advise staying longer than a day here, nor would we advise lodging here in conjunction with your hotel. On the other hand, spending an afternoon exploring Town is a terrific experience if you have some free time and are tired of beach days. Relax on Porto Limionas Beach. Situated next to a fjord on the western side of the island, the immaculate beach is tucked in between towering white cliffs that are filled with granite caverns. Enjoy the sun bouncing off the stunning green rocks that encircle the cove while spending the day swimming in and out of the glistening blue waters. For those who don't want to pay for a sunbed at the taverna facing the beach, they can try to find a position on the rough concrete and rock. Marathonissi, Turtle Island. The captivating Marathonissi is situated on a small islet south of Zakynthos. Marathonissi, also known as Turtle Island, is the location of the loggerhead turtles' nesting grounds. Fortunately, there are many tour operators that will take you to observe the turtles because it is now a protected area. These incredible creatures live in Zakynthos, but they are in danger because of us. Ignorant tourists have broken eggs on Zakynthos beaches by setting beach chairs on top of them or allowing kids to dig them up. Zakynthos stole my heart, and I hope it captured a piece of yours too. This Ionian island has so much natural beauty that it should definitely be on your next freak trip. Zakynthos is one of the top places to visit in Greece. As we wrap up our Zakynthos adventure, I want to hear from you. Share your favorite spot or any hidden gems I might have missed in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, and see you in the next exploration.